Dictation number 15. We ready? Start. The chamber may clearly indicate whether there is need for stationing a crane for loading and unloading heavy consignments or any additional lightning points are required for performing the operation beyond sunset. Full stop. The chamber must be fully aware that we do not have night working at goods shed at the moment. Full stop. Para. The existing capacity of the goods shed is for handling 15 wagons of general goods and 10 wagons of materials like coal, sand, cement, etc. Full stop. The railways would welcome definite suggestions from the chamber in order to increase its present efficiency in order to give better service. Full stop. Para. The modern trend is to use more and more high capacity wagons like boxes, so and so, etc. Full stop. The trade perhaps will have to get used to this trend sooner so that we are able to move more traffic in wagons. Full stop. The railways themselves supply watertight wagons during rainy seasons. Full stop. The effort is to ensure that covered wagons are made leak proof as far as possible to avoid any damage to the goods transported in them. Full stop. Para. The issue of providing spare engines at Rajpura and Ludhiana has been closely examined, but his has not been found very economical. Full stop. For internal transport at Rajpura and Ludhiana is performed by engines of two goods trains, which should be adequate keeping in view the workload at these stations at the moment. Full stop. Provision of any extra facility has to be considered from the point of view of as to whether the expenditure would really be justified by the earnings from the station in question. Full stop. Export traffic is given all preference possible by the railway administration in all important stations. Full stop. Position at Faridabad and Rajpura was checked up. Full stop. There was no delay in the clearance of export traffic at the above stations during October and November last year. Full stop. There is practically no export traffic offering at the above stations. Full stop. As regards detention of wagons after loading, the procedure is that each divisional control office maintains details of wagons delayed after loading. Full stop. All cases at any point wagons are detained for more than 24 hours are fully investigated and all avoidable cases are taken up. Full stop. Para. In order to ensure quicker transit between certain pairs of points for which there is regular traffic, target transit times have been fixed. Full stop. This is kept under special watch by the divisional and the headquarters. Full stop. On the Northern Railways there are 12 such points. Full stop. Para. As regards detention of wagons containing export traffic, the consignors have been asked to put large labels on wagons reading for export only. Push on. Full stop. The stations through which such wagons pass have been asked to specially watch such wagons and push them on to destination at the earliest possible opportunity, and at no cost risk should be taken to detain them longer than is actually necessary. Full stop. In the circumstances, where such delays are reported and after examination by the administration, if found to be unjustified and unnecessary, an inquiry will take place and serious action will be taken by the railway board against such staff, full stop para. Large scale movements of export traffic are arranged in block loads which are also kept under special watch, full stop. Transit time of such block stacks is reduced as these get through run in yards on the way, full stop. All necessary precautions are taken to ensure that the export goods do not involve in any damage while waiting for loading into the wagons, full stop. The consignors are provided all facilities to help them to export their goods as quickly as possible without facing any difficulties, full stop para. Railways have already made arrangements to ensure that at transshipment points there is no detention to traffic, full stop. If any specific instances can be given by the chamber, these will definitely be logged into very closely by the railways administration, and all efforts will be made to avoid